How to refresh WhatsApp contacts in iPhone. So if you want to refresh WhatsApp contacts in your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of privacy and security. Tap on it. After tapping on privacy and security, you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of WhatsApp. You need to tap on it. Or before that, you need to go with contacts. Now here you need to scroll down a bit. After that, tap on WhatsApp, which will be on the bottom. Now you'll need to disable all your contacts for some time. Tap on none, which will be on the top. And then you need to wait for a few seconds, like 5 to 10 seconds. And again, tap on full access. Tap on allow full access. Once done, now you can go back and make sure that you've updated your WhatsApp. So open up your App Store. After opening your App Store, you need to go with your search, which will be on the bottom. And now you need to search for WhatsApp. And if you have any updates on your WhatsApp, just simply go and update it. After updating, the problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.